Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna install a new screen protector on my phone. So I'll show you what the old one looked like before I took it off. Basically I dropped the phone a little bit and I noticed this crack here in the corner, and if you notice, if you look at the screen or at the screen protector from the front, basically you wouldn't notice any other issues, and I only realized this after I actually took it off. So there's a huge crack going along the whole thing. So yeah, and this was the privacy screen as well, so screen protector and privacy screen basically. So it does something like this when you have it on the phone, so it kind of like limits the angle. Anyway, so that's pretty much with the old one. And this is just a quick mention on this. So I had the battery replaced recently. This is my Samsung S10e, and I got it in for a replacement, and apparently they did some kind of damage to the back plate, to the back cover, that it got cracked or something, and they had to replace it. And this is the prism blue color that they installed, which I actually don't mind. It looks way better than the black one. So yeah, so let's move on with the screen protector. So I have a new one. I don't believe it's the exact same one I got last time. I got it on Amazon. So let's see what we have. Now that I think about it, the old one, did I have two of these? I'm not sure. But this is the new one. It looks exactly the same. And let's see what we have here. And this is the patch installation / cleaning kit. So I have this tiny wipe thing, dust sticker, a guide sticker, and this, I think this is the alcohol one, yeah, the wet one. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to set the phone down actually, as I had been using the case. So let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna get started with the wet wipe. And we're gonna give it a good wipe down, and especially around the edges. Seems like we got a little bit of dust from having the previous screen protector on. So there's that. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, trying to get it as clean as possible. I don't think this will show on the camera because of the reflection. So I've been using the phone without the screen protector for 2 or 3 years, and I barely got any scratches. So these screens are definitely good, but then I went with the privacy screen, so I had that on. So I don't see any dust really now, just very superficial scratches basically. So this edge here, but I don't think this is gonna affect anything. Okay. Okay, so I just gave it a good wipe down off camera, just to make sure there are no fingerprints. So we're gonna move on to the screen protector itself. Probably should wipe this on top of the phone. So let's get the dust absorber used to clear the dust on the screen. Yes. I would hope so. Oops. Okay, this show. Okay. So I don't know how you're supposed to use these guides, and I usually never use them. So we're just gonna go with it. There is one tiny speck here. Oh, it's very sensitive. It's detecting those as taps on the screen. So okay, I just want to make sure I line this as no. It's not gonna be 100%, but you know, as best as I can. And then we get the bubbles out, as long as there's no dust. If this happens, just lift it here. Doesn't even show on the camera. And then at the bottom there. I really wish I had that tool that you could just scrape these bubbles out, if you know what I mean. seeing something here. It's probably not showing on the camera. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show what it does. So if you have something on your phone, basically it kind of blocks the view at a certain degree, a certain angle. So, yep, seems like it's good. Job well done. I do see a little bit of something here at the very edge. So maybe just... It's not perfect because it's a little bit lopsided, I would say, but I don't mind. So yeah, that was that. This already dried out. And what I do like when you have these screen protectors on, they do add a little bit of weight, which I really like. So especially for a smaller phone like this one. I'm gonna wipe this a little bit. And this prism blue color is just amazing, especially in the light. And we have the case back on. And we are good to go. So it's almost like flush, or actually comes out a little bit compared to the edge of the case. So usually you would want your phone, basically the screen, to be protected, to be below the edge of the case. So for example, when you lay the phone down on the screen, but I don't mind because this is a screen protector, and I usually set the phone down like this, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.